Hi guys, thanks for watching my review. I'm looking at a MyCharge charging station. Now, what is this? This is basically for your phone. You can use this to charge tablets. You can use this to do anything you want to do whatsoever. It doesn't really matter. There's no specific rule of thumb, but it's really designed for a phone. It's MagSafe, so it actually works with your phone. Magnetically attaches for total convenience. It really works very, very well. It's got a built-in 12-watt USB-C port. Just a fantastic phone. You can charge your iPhone 12 and newer, no problems. Anything with MagSafe, this will work. This is 5,000 milliamp hour intelligent battery, which means it won't overheat your phone. Some of those cheaper ones overheat your phone. This does not. This is what I like about this one quite a bit. Up to 27 hours of battery life. So plus 27 hours. What that means, you get 27 extra hours on your phone. That's crazy, right? Because the way it manages it, so your phone never really dies, right? That's the idea, is to get all day use without being stressed out, constantly charging your phone. And that's what I've been doing. It does come with one USB-C, USB-A to USB-C charger. You charge it right here. It does have a battery indicator. And to turn it on, all you do is hit the power button and you can see it's full. It gives you 4 bars, so you get the meter right there. So if you want to charge any external device, you can. And also, if you want to charge your phone, you just pop it on. Just make sure it's on, just like you see here. And I have my phone right here. Let me just show you. Just pop it right on the phone, just like you see there, and boom, there it goes. It charges it right up. It works quickly. So I just recommend when you're down to around 70, 75%, pop this on. It'll last all day. It'll keep your phone there and a little bit more. Just keep it nice and regulated perfectly. That way you don't never run out of battery power. That's awesome. Up to 27 hours. That's what this does. It gives you 27 extra hours of battery life. That's what's awesome about this. And you can also charge other external devices that take a USB-C out. Use that adapter that comes with it, and you can charge whatever you want. So I definitely highly recommend this item. MyCharge is the name of this specific brand. This is a black matte, and definitely highly recommend it. So if you're looking for a charging solution for all your devices, GoPros, laptops, doesn't really matter. I think this will work with iPads. If you need quick power, this is the way to go. It's quick, convenient, and small and lightweight, and very good battery management. Thanks for watching the review.